মায়ায় পড়ে গেছি। So we have all heard this from a Bengali, right? Which literally means a very deep affection or an emotional attachment to something or someone we hold close. But this emotional attachment not always goes between people. It can also find its way to an unexpected place, a moment, or an object. So I have a story here to share. My emotional attachment grows around a big old portable TV. Yes, you heard it right. Which my parents bought almost 20 years back. And you can see that just right behind me. Okay, so I still remember that day very clearly. I was so excited to bring it home, and it just wasn't a purchase. It felt like a celebration, a little celebration. And I still remember the first show I have watched on that particular TV was Woogie Woogie, which was very famous on that point of time. Every 90s kid can relate to that. Okay, so I still remember how many hours I've spent sitting in front of that TV watching Pogo, Cartoon Networks, Animal Planet, and a lot more. Okay, especially on those summer holidays. This TV became a huge part of my life. और वीकेंड में हम लोग एक साथ मिलकर सिनेमा देखते थे. लाइक जो केबल टीवी में आता था विद ब्रेक्स, लॉट ऑफ ब्रेक्स. बट हमें कभी भी उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता था क्योंकि हमारे पास और कोई ज्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं था ना. तब हम इतने बिजी नहीं होते थे. सबके पास बहुत सारे टाइम्स होते थे. लाइफ सिंपल था. एक ही फोन होता था जो इमरजेंसी में यूज होता था. बस इतना ही था. उसमें कोई बिजी नहीं होता था. सो हम सब एक साथ मिलके वो मूवी देखते थे एंड तक. आई स्टिल पिक्चर माई सेल्फ रशिंग फ्रॉम स्कूल and switch on the TV, watching Hangama and Hangama TV and all. Oh my God, I still can remember all those memories. उसके बाद लाइफ चेंज होती गई. बहुत कुछ बदली लाइफ में. I lost my father almost 11 years back, but I still believe that a part of him remain on the particular TV. अभी भी मुझे याद है कि मेरे पापा का एक फेवरेट शो था जो एक चैनल पे आता था. और उसी टाइम पे मेरी और मेरी मम्मी की भी एक फेवरेट शो आती थी जो दूसरी चैनल में आती थी. तो we used to fight over all those things. And now come to the very weirdest part of the story. I gave it a name. Yes, my TV has a name. It's Gublu. So a lot of people ask me, why do you still have this bulky TV which takes up a lot of your spaces? But how can I explain to them that Gublu is just not a device to me? It's a time machine through which I can go back to my childhood days, my most happiest days. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have some old stuff which belongs to you for so many years, try to keep them with a lot of care. I don't know, there's no logic behind it, but I think they deserve it to be with you for the rest of your life. Because they witnesses all your stages of life, your happiness, your bad days and everything. I think, and through them we can reminiscing our old days. So अगर आपके पास भी ऐसा कोई स्टोरी है शेयर करने के लिए तो प्लीज शेयर कीजिए. एंड टिल देन बाय.